just a little bit. So, Mike, tell me a little bit about the project that we're standing in front of.
Well, it's a full yard project. We did everything here from turf to rock, landscape, drip systems, kitchen here, shade structure, equipment enclosure back here, surrounded with a wall, enclosed by a gate, overlaid their decking on their patio here, obviously the pool, spa, table. When we started, this was just a dirt backyard.
Just a dirt backyard, and you transformed it into this. What size pool is that that's behind us?
This is the overall rectangle in this pool is 30 by 15, plus the seating area over here and the spa. The spa's raised 18 inches.
And then, how deep is that pool?
6 feet.
6 feet?
6 feet at the lowest part. And
Okay.
It has in-floor cleaning too. And then spill over on the spa, and then some bubblers on the Baja shelf.
Okay. And then you were talking to me earlier about how important it is to get the right lighting effect. What did you do for lighting the spa?
Well, we position the lights, kind of our standard way of doing it. We always center one on the Baja shelf. We split the pool into thirds depending on how big it is. Potentially could need 4 lights in the pool. This one we have 3 lights in the pool. We have one back here in the seating area that shines right through the 2 columns that support the table.
Okay.
Pretty much centered on the spa there. And then one down by the skimmer down here. We've got 2 skimmers on this pool here. Just to do a little extra help in cleaning the surface.
Okay.
They're all LED lights, color changing.
So what made you think of putting a little table there?
It really was the customer's request.
Okay.
And, we just figured out where we wanted to have it, how big. We go through a lot of conversations, determine how high they want their seats so they're comfortable in the water without having the water too high. For a kid it could be a little bit higher, but they'll grow into it. An adult, you don't want it to be too low and uncomfortable.
No, that's great. I mean, to be able to come out here, hang out in your pool, have a nice cool drink where you can sit around.
Yeah.
Talk.
On the 2 ends of the table there, we actually undersized, brought both ends in approximately 6 inches, so it'll be a little easier to slide in on the sides.
Okay.
And on the back side, the bench and the table line up a little more, so it's more, you're sitting at the table more. On the ends, you have to scooch forward a little bit, but otherwise it'd be hard to get in there.
Okay. And then on your spa, your spillover and stuff like that, what do they call that when the water comes right up to it and then drops down and over?
That's with a reverse knife edge. It's actually a 13-degree angle back into the spa. And as you see when the water's tipping over right now, it's because of the in-floor cleaning system. That zone in the spa is activated through the system.
Somebody's, a lot of your pools now, you start putting in these Baja shelves. What's a good distance out from the edge to accommodate some really nice chairs?
So if the customer doesn't have a specific request on that, I usually try to design it with a 7-foot Baja shelf. I know 7 feet fits ledge loungers, things like that.
Okay.
You can do it at 6. And 8 obviously is a little better than 7, but if we're, not all these yards will accept, but just any size pool you want to have it. But I try to shoot for 7, make it work that way.
Okay. And a lot of people are going to ask questions like, how close can the pool or a water feature be to a wall?
So that varies by jurisdiction.
Okay.
All the cities are different. I think out here in Queen Creek we were 4 feet.
4 feet?
Mesa's 4 feet. I think Scottsdale's 3 feet.
Okay.
Don't quote me, but I can look that up. I think it's a little closer.
Okay.
So it depends on the location.
Okay.
And then you can layer that in with, the association rules too.
Yes.
So
yeah, they might have something to say about something. And then another thing is getting into the backyard. I know that a couple of the pools that we looked at today were pretty tight fits getting in the backyard. This one here, not so much, big wide open.
yeah, that actually had a
RV
single.
gate.
That actually had a single gate on it when we started. We took down one side of the wall,
Okay.
and knowing we were going to replace it with an RV gate, a 10-foot wide gate. basically we know if our take it down and rebuild it back in. We can get in as narrow as a 4-foot gate without taking the wall down.
Okay. What's the absolute narrowest that you can get into to get to a backyard?
I haven't done anything less than 4 feet.
Okay,
So it
4
seems like
feet.
most gates are standard at 4 feet. I think most cities are requiring, 5 feet property line to house.
Okay.
But you lose a few inches though, the thickness of the wall and stuff, things like that. Seems like most of them that are 5 feet on the survey actually measure out 4'9".
Okay.
If they're straight.
If they're straight.
Yeah. So it's rare.
And then now this decking that you have here, is this a marble or what is this?
Yeah, good answer. It's this is Carrera white marble with a leather finish.
Okay.
And, the unique thing about this is you can touch it out there in the sun area, and it's really not hot.
Really?
Really shot.
Is the white it's dispersing the heat a little bit better, or is it because of the marble?
I wish I knew. I've seen other white tiles that are warmer than this.
Uh-huh.
You literally
And
barefoot.
it's hot here in Arizona.
Yeah, I mean I think we're 105 right now.
Yeah. But that's nice to know.
Yeah.
I
This
like
is
how
all
you
12 by
did
24.
The inlays too with the artificial turf. It's just a beautiful backyard. It's you'll see in the video, if I haven't showed it already, I'll edit it. So you'll see that this is actually not a computer generated backyard. This is actually how Mike
AI build
finishes it.
tools.
Yeah, this is how he actually finishes it. But yeah, this is nice. This is so nice.
I love that nice
job.
outdoor in my house.
Yeah. Yeah.
That whole outdoor area.
Yeah. Nice big area. Nice kitchen area too. All right.